If all else fails. Yep, is that you guys? Yeah. Okay, awesome. This looks really cool.
Action.
Hi everyone. This isn't ideal. Basically, we've created a sort of security device you can use. It's for sort of stationary objects, sort of like your desktop computer. Applications where you wouldn't necessarily want someone else to be using it. What we've done is basically we've got a ultrasonic sensor going to an Arduino Mega. What that basically does is pulses the ultrasonic sensor and gets a sort of distance reading. From that, we then decide to basically raise a pin high and low on the Raspberry Pi. And we've got basically a Python script on the Raspberry Pi that basically does a for loop over 10 seconds and basically
Takes an average.
Yeah, it takes an average over sort of 10 seconds and basically calculates a percentage based on that. And yeah, I'll let you take over for a sec while I get this started.
Right, yeah, so as you were saying, so it takes an average. So what happens then is it compares it between two. So if the pin's been high for more than 50% of the time, that means somebody's in front of the sensor. So if somebody's in front of the sensor, then, you know, somebody's there. So what it then does is I've actually got a back end linked to Google Glasses. So on the Google Glasses, you go to this website, which I will show you on here. I apologise to anybody that does web development or web design. It is not what I do, so this is just a botched website just to show what you'd see. So what it does is it calls the Mirror API, which is a web service for the Google Glasses, and then as you can see, it gets a location. Once it's got the location, it also at the same time uses the Twilio API to send a text. Because what happens is the Raspberry Pi can't understand OAuth2 and all the SSL stuff that Google puts in place for authentication. So what we did was send the data via text so that everybody could, like the system could understand the information being sent. So it sent the latitude and longitude in a text. Then once the text arrives, I will let you explain the rest because you know best what it does.
Right, so basically, as my partner said, the Pi can't really understand all the SSL and encryption stuff. So what we've done is send basically a latitude and longitude reading from the Google Glasses GPS sensor, and basically text message that to the Raspberry Pi. We've then got...
We better hurry up, we'll run out of time.
Yeah. We basically then use the API to basically pull the last 10 text messages to that number. Once we've got that, we pull the most recent number. We get the longitude and latitude from that. We then work out if you are basically within a set radius of where the Raspberry Pi is, based on the ultrasonic sensor.
I didn't even get to demo it yet.
Yeah.
Honest, it works. It just takes more than 3 minutes to explain.
It is. Sorry guys, well done though, well done. It's quite cool. They have really cool setup up here.
If anyone wants to see, they can.
Yeah, afterwards you can come see it.